Greetings everyone! In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can use custom codes without using theme functions. For this video, we will use this simple code. This will hide a specific plugin. In a normal scenario, you will log into your dashboard, go to Appearance and Theme File Editor. Go to Theme Functions, scroll down, and paste the code here. Update the file. However, the problem with this method is that this file will be updated whenever you update your theme, and the codes will be deleted. So instead of using theme functions, let's create our own simple plugin to use our custom codes. Let me open this with Notepad++. You can also use Notepad. Basically, it is a very simple file. Plugin name, use any name you want, plugin URL, description, author name, version, author URL, and license information. So, this is the very basic setup for a plugin, and this code is to abort if the file is called directly. Now, right-click and zip this file. Check the link below for the zip file. Anyway, so our plugin is ready to use. Now go to Plugins, Add New Plugin, Upload New Plugin, choose File, Custom Plugin, and install it. Activate the plugin. So, the plugin has been activated. You can see your plugin here. Now, let's add some code here. Go to Plugin File Editor. Choose the plugin. This is the one. And select. You can use this as functions.php. For instance, let me copy the code and paste it here. Simply use it as you use theme functions. This will hide the plugin. Update file. And if I refresh this, the plugin is hidden. You can give any name to your plugin, and it will work fine. And if you remove this code and update the file, this will work perfectly. Please do give it a try. Thank you very much.